Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken noodle soup from scratch with an easy guide. This comforting dish is perfect for any time of year and surprisingly simple to prepare at home. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including about 2 pounds of chicken, a variety of fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and your favorite egg noodles. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The heart of any great chicken noodle soup is a rich, flavorful broth. To achieve this, you'll simmer your chicken, along with aromatic vegetables and herbs, in a large pot for at least 1 hour. A pot of about 8 quarts works perfectly. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface. This helps keep your broth clear and appealing. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to build a strong flavor base. Once your chicken is thoroughly cooked, carefully remove it from the pot and shred it into lovely bite-sized pieces. Next, strain your rich broth to remove any spent vegetables and bones, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. Now, return the tender shredded chicken to the strained broth. This is also the perfect time to add fresh, crisp vegetables and about 8 ounces of your favorite egg noodles, cooking them until they are perfectly tender. Finally, give your magnificent chicken noodle soup a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or dill can add a wonderful burst of color and aroma right before serving. Ladle the steaming hot soup into bowls, perhaps alongside some warm, crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. This recipe typically yields approximately 6 to 8 generous servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.